The next form of erosion we're going to look at is hydraulic erosion, which is really all about water's effect on your terrain. It comes in 3 flavors, being fast, full, and velocity. Fast is by far the simplest, and it's a little bit hard to explain without just clicking on it and showing you what it's going to do. It is washing away some of this terrain and exposing what is supposed to look like harder material underneath. But it's not something that is as easy to quantify as, say, full. Now, full allows you access to how much rainfall you're getting, how quickly it's evaporating, the solubility of the material underneath. And as you apply full erosion, first you'll notice it takes a lot longer. But what this is going to do is start to lower the less sloped areas. Like as you have gradual hills, rolling hills will be washed downward. And then slopes will start to lose some of their native slope. They won't become as steep. But this is happening very gently. And so as I apply each one, if you watch the top of the terrain very closely, you'll see it's actually lowering. And really, that's just that material being washed away by rainfall.
Right, and a bigger change, if you look at the base of the tower, where it's actually been washed down, it starts to spread out and smooth, and you start to get some more buildup at the bottom as well.
And our top is no longer perfectly flat anymore. Now, if we switch over to velocity, that's going to compound things even further by adding a velocity map. So it's trying to more accurately simulate the water actually washing away and the effects of the motion of that water as the rainfall has its effect. Now you'll notice this is a much heavier calculation, taking a lot more time.
And this is a small test terrain, so the larger your terrain gets, the more time that this is going to take.
That's right. And a much more dramatic effect up here on top, where the flat areas are starting to lose a lot more material and get a lot rougher. Notice we also have some presets here. So we have low rainfall, hard rock, low rainfall, soft earth, heavy rainfall against hard rock, heavy rainfall on soft earth, and finally carved stone. So let's go ahead, let's just try carved stone. We'll give this a click. And then just wait it out, even though this is a really simple terrain. And here we are, kaboom. And it's washing away the upper area and expanding the base. So that is a basic look at the hydraulic form of erosion. That's going to wrap up this video. Thanks a lot.